This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with the essentials. Check your 54-63-inch lace and set the tongue straight. Thread both ends through the lowest eyelet so lengths match. This creates balanced tension. Once done, pull each end until about an inch of lace sits inside. Cross the left over the right and feed it up into the next eyelet on the same side. This first cross establishes the diagonal runway your lacing will follow. Make sure the lace lies flat to avoid twisting as you proceed. You continue by repeating the diagonal crosses while alternating which section goes under for the Jumbo Styles single direction look. Thread each tip upward into the next eyelet, then cross over to the opposite side. Occasionally tuck the tip under a diagonal segment to lock tension if slipping occurs. Once done through mid-shaft, smooth the lace flat and check symmetry across both sides. Make sure to keep each pass parallel and evenly spaced, so the mid-77. You finish by threading to the top eyelets and deciding between a visible bow or a tucked finish for the only way look. Tie a secure knot, or fold and tuck excess lace down the shaft for a seamless profile. Once done, test comfort by bending the ankle. If pressure points appear, loosen the nearest cross and redistribute slack by pulling alternate ends. If laces snag or fray, swap them. Damaged laces spoil the pattern and stress eyelets, so replace before relacing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.